This is for the guys running the 73 to 91 Chevy trucks. Today what we're installing is a door striker bushing. Tool required is an Allen key. Now, what is this for? When you go close your door, you're gonna find this bushing found between the striker and this plate, these washers. And when you close your door, sometimes you'll find that there's a little bit of slack in it. So today we're gonna handle that. Shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Get your Allen key, insert it, and go ahead and give it a nice turn. And it should come out by hand. They're usually not too stubborn. Reach behind, turn, and there's a plate back here. I'll show you what it is. So essentially, this is all you're doing. So now what you'll do is you remove these washers. There's 3. You want to keep them in the same order just because. And this washer sometimes will be hard to get off, so you can go ahead and put these on a vice grip. Give it a couple of taps. Then start turning it. Put your Allen key in there. Go ahead and turn it. And the washer's being held by the vise. That'll help you unscrew the washer off the striker. So this ends up being the culprit that gives you that slop in your door. And we're very simply going to replace it with the new one. Same dimensions. This is the best $1.49 you can spend. You can find these on eBay. You can find them on in Home Depot. In the plumbing section. They're used, I think they're used for a plumbing, I think they're called something like a shark bite or something. I got these from Classic Truck Parts of America. Put it in. Put this big washer back on. Then get your 3 washers, put them back on. The bracket that goes in the back. And what you'll want to do is you're going to follow the same footprint that was left there from before. If your door is closing pretty good, you want to start there. All right? That'll be your base, your baseline. Then go adjusting as needed. Obviously, the further in you pull it, the more bite you're going to get out of your door. It's going to be a little bit tighter as opposed to the outside. It'll be a little bit looser. All right, guys, make it a win. If you're having trouble, take these off. They've been on there 40-something years. Go ahead and grab you some W, put it on there, and you should be done. Easy project, great fix, and won't cost you more than $5. Old wear mark from where it was before. And before you close the door shut hard, you want to go ahead and make sure everything is in alignment. It's catching on the first lock right there without rubbing. Now we close it, we check our body lines, make sure it's nice and smooth. There's no overbite or underbite. There's a nice clean line right there. So that's all it takes.